Hello and welcome back. Today we will configure the standard access list. So the standard access list is one of the types of the access list, which the access list has two types, is the standard and the extended. The extended access list is a type of a controlling more on the traffic flows through the network. It filters the traffic. So it uses the source IP address and the destination IP address and the port number as well. So the range that the extended access list is from 100 to 199. So let us start and see how to configure the extended access list. We have two departments, which is the sales department and the HR department. I have already configured the IP addresses of the PCs. They are all in the same network, which is 192.168.100.1. So this will gonna act our web server. Its IP address is 8.8.8.8. So it will act our Google server. So let us configure first the router IP address of the interfaces. Say no, enable, config T, host name R1, no IP domain lookup, prevent any errors. So let us configure the gigabit 0 by 0 IP address will be 192.168.100.1. Subnet mask will be 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. Exit. We are left with interface gigabit 0 by 1. IP address will be 8.8.8.1. It's /24, so 255.255.255.0, and no shutdown. So now let's verify. Do write, exit, do show IP interface brief. We have configured gigabit 0 by 0 by this IP address and gigabit 0 by 1 on this IP address. Let's check if the PCs can ping its own default. Ping 192.168.100.1. Yes, sales department can ping its default gateway. Let's check the HR PC. Ping 192.168.100.1. Yes. Let's check if the web server can ping its default gateway 8.8.8.1. Yes, it can ping. So now let us configure the extended access list on this router. The extended access list is very simple. Access list question mark. The extended access list ranges from 100 to 199. So let us say 150. We want to allow the sales department to ping the web server. So it will gonna be access list 150 per minute IP, which will be 192.168.100.10, and its subnet mask, which is 255.255.255.0, which is the IP address of the web server, will be 8.8.8.8. So we need the subnet mask. It's 255.255.255.0. We need to allow a second PC, which is 20 of the sales department only. Now we have configured the access list. Now we want to make it effectively or activate it. The extended access list uses the source port or the source host IP address. So we have to source it on the port, which is interface gigabit 0 by 0. We will say IP access group 150 in. If you make a question mark, you have inbound packets or outbound packets. We need to make it in. So we have to exit to right. And now we have to end show access list. We have permanented these two access list. So let us check if it can ping the web server. I'm here. No, sorry. Eight dot 8.8.8. Yes, it can ping. Let's check if the HR department can ping the web server. Oh, sorry, I think we forget to deny any. Yes. Sorry. Access list 150, deny IP address any. Show access list. Yes, this is the deny. So now let's check if it can ping 8.8.8.8. The destination host is unreachable. Let's go back to the same PC and ping. Yes, it can reach and it can ping. Let's check on the second PC of the sales department. 8.8.8. Yes, it can ping. They are all on the same network. Let's check the second PC of the HR department. It can ping the Google server. No, it cannot, because we have made a rule or a policy, which is the access list, extended access list, to allow these two PCs, 10 and 20, to ping the web server. That's why the extended access list and the standard access list is a traffic control or a policy for the network, filter the traffic on the network. Thank you so much. Hope you understand and gain some knowledge. Thank you so much.